Trout fishing flies, by troutfishinginformation.org. It might just be the hardest thing about trout fishing. Selecting the flies. There are so many patterns and variations that it can be a chore to pick the right one. All flies can be broken down into 3 categories: dry flies, wet flies and nymphs. Picking the right fly is important in trout fishing. Different fishing conditions will call for different flies. A dry fly can be used when fishing upstream and downstream. Some common dry flies include caddies, dries, cripples, mayflies, spinners, etc. A wet fly can be used when fishing upstream, across the stream, or down the stream. Wet flies are bigger than any other types of artificial flies and can be used to catch trout of any size. A nymph is typically tied on a heavier hook and is often attached with a small weight to keep it underwater. Some of the common nymphs used as lures for trout fish are stonefly nymphs, caddis nymphs and mayfly nymphs. Several things need to be considered in the fly that you use in order to try to catch a good-sized trout, including the size of the fly, the color, its style, and its adaptability in different water and fishing conditions. The size of the fly is determined by the type of water conditions that you are fishing in. You need a fly that is 2 to 3 inches or more in colored water or cold water. The clear water of early summer requires small flies. The color of the fly is an important part of the decision when you are trying to pick the right fly for the conditions that you are fishing in. Orange is the best bet for fly color, especially if you are fishing in muddy water. Orange, yellow or black flies are also better in the beginning of the season. Although the size of the hook is not as important, the style of the fly can be. A lot of fishermen use single hooks nowadays, but because most single hooks are low water hooks, they don't work effectively on all fishing conditions. It seems that there is a better chance of trapping a trout fish with a double or a treble hook, even though singlers are more humane to the fish and often gives a more natural look to the fly. The type of the fly you use can make a difference in different seasons. When fishing for trout in springtime, you can use the Willy Gun Tube, Allies Shrimp, Tosh 2-3 €. During the summer it is ideal to use Stoat's Tail on a single or Allies Shrimp 1 euro cubed 1.5 euro cubed. And the Comets and Allies are common to use for trout fishing in the fall. Another thing that should be considered when selecting the right fly is what kind of trout fishing you are fishing for. Rainbow trout fish are more aggressive towards lures, whereas, on the other hand, brownies are not. Most brownies are attracted to imitations like a nymph breaking the surface of the water. Most fishermen out for brownies will use imitations of original fish in order to attract them. The only time when the brownies might be tempted with an artificial insect lure is in the beginning of the year. For more information about trout fishing, visit troutfishinginformation.org/.